The PlayStation 5's DualSense controller is already hailed as one of Sony's best, but it looks like the iconic controller is getting a serious mid-generation upgrade as well. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. According to reliable leaks, a brand new version of the DualSense, unofficially heard as the DualSense V3, is reportedly set to launch this November with the long-rumored PS5 Pro. And the biggest twist, for the first time in the PS5 era, the new controller will feature a removable battery, ditching the sealed, rechargeable one found in current models. It's a throwback move that could be a game changer for players tired of stopping the game mid-mission to charge their controllers. This information comes by Polish site PPE and their source Graxari, who's got a proven track record with accurate gaming leaks. According to them, the DualSense V3 will completely replace the current DualSense lineup and will be bundled with the upcoming PS5 Pro. By the way, PS5 Pro is reportedly set to release in Europe on September 30th for €799. The PS5 Pro itself remains shrouded in mystery, but early leaks suggest it'll use 3% less power than the current standard model. It's not a huge leap, but paired with a new controller and potential hardware improvements, so it is a refreshing update Sony has yet to confirm. But after launching a PS5 Slim Digital Edition earlier this year, which had mixed fan reactions due to the smaller SSD, a more powerful console and controller duo could be Sony's answer to keeping the PS5 momentum strong heading into 2026. For now, gamers are watching closely because if the leaks are true, the next evolution of PlayStation gaming might arrive sooner than expected. Are you excited to get this controller? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.